I think that this is an elegant bag, but it's one that you're not going to see everybody carrying. And I love bags like that because you do want to stand out and have some bags that are statement pieces. And I think that this is one. It's classic, so it's timeless, meaning it's not going to go out of style. And you could wear it with so many things. Hi dolls, it's your girl Tisha Monique back again. And today, dolls, I have another fantastic bag haul video for you dolls, and I cannot wait to share this bag with you because it is so gorgeous, so fantastic. I think it is perfect to add to your collection. So if you're interested in seeing what bag I have today, doll, then just stay tuned. Okay, dolls, let's just jump right in here because I am so excited to share this bag with you guys. I am so obsessed with this bag, and I feel like I've been picking up a lot of Chanel pieces here lately. And I don't know if it's intentional or unintentional, but I've been wanting to add some new bags to my collection. I love Chanel, and when I saw this bag, it was just one that I've always wanted to get my hands on. I do have other backpack bags that are from Louis Vuitton. One being Chanel is just top tier. For me, there's just no other brand like Chanel. It just gives elegance. It gives such big feminine energy vibes, and you dolls know I'm a feminine gal, so I love feminine pieces. So when I had the opportunity to get this Chanel bag in the backpack form, I was just totally obsessed with it because I've been wanting one forever. So the thing I love about this site, and I'll have the link listed below for this website, they have such amazing bags, gorgeous pieces. You can't go wrong. The quality is top tier. I love that when they ship it, it comes with all the bells and whistles. So you get your large Chanel packaging, your Chanel box. The box itself is high quality, so you already know what the bag is hitting for. So when you open this up, you get your full Chanel experience. If you've had a Chanel bag before or not, you're going to get your full Chanel experience, from the packaging to the great quality of the bag. So you will flip this open. It comes very well packaged to make sure that it's transported properly. I've already taken a peek at this bag, but it has the tissue paper, the Chanel stickers, the magnetic closure box, you guys. Be so for real. Okay, so you're going to be able, if you wanted to gift this or gift yourself, it is such a fantastic pickup for you for sure. It comes with a dust bag in here for storage, which I absolutely love, or for travel. I love to carry these to put my bags in when I'm traveling. And it's going to be packaged up. It comes with the ribbon, so you get your Chanel ribbon with it. If this is focusing, there. And everything looks really authentic, great quality. Tissue paper is what is packaged in, if you guys can see that there. So you really cannot beat it. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love it. So let's get into this bag, shall we? Such a gorgeous piece. I'm so glad that I opted to get this bag because it's so beautiful. Everything is transported so nicely, packaged so well. But let me take off some of this packaging so we can get into this bag. I just wanted you girls to see the packaging to know that it is top tier. So I'm taking all of this off. And like I said, I did get the Chanel backpack bag. And I've always wanted a Chanel backpack bag because I love that the backpack straps are the actual Chanel chain. And so you can top handle like this, or you have the two straps on the back, which I think the quality of the leather on this is amazing. You have the Chanel pocket in the back, which you can stick your phone in or your card holder, etc. Then you have the classic closure there in the front. Let's make sure it's focusing on the bag, and you can see the quality of the bag there. Oh my gosh, the stitching is perfect. It's wanting to focus on my face. The stitching is perfect. And you see the closure there. Quality is top tier. I'm so serious. Let me take the rest of the packaging off so you guys can see. When you open the bag up, You see how the chain is there. The chain quality is amazing. It's not twisted, it's not defective looking, and the hardware on the bag is top notch. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this bag. You have the two drawstrings here, but you can see the logo is embossed where it's supposed to be. This is the bottom of the bag, and on the inside it has the classic correct color. And that's the thing about these bags, is that all the details are there. You can cross-check this with the Chanel bags on the website and you will see that it is a one-to-one match. On the inside it has the large Chanel emboss, which is correct and accurate. They also have included a little package which has all of the, you know, authenticity cards and such here, which is super cute, especially if you're wanting to give this as a gift. The inside of the bag is the Chanel Rouge lipstick color. It's a really nice lining. It has a zipper. It has the zipper on the top, and then this one is an actual pocket for storage there, and it has the gold detailing. As you can see, it's kind of a champagne. I opted for like the champagne gold hardware. Chanel is on the pull there, if you guys can see that as well. It's just a really gorgeous bag. It's really well done, and I absolutely love it. So you can pull the drawstring to pull it tighter, the closure there, and then you do your twist to close her up. Like I said, you can carry it top handle at the top, or you can of course wear it as a backpack. Me, I love to hold the straps in my hand, carry it like this. As you can see, the size and just the quality is so amazing, you guys. I was so excited to share this bag with you because I think it's so unique. It's a little bit different from typical bags, but it's just a great bag because you can wear it casual or you can wear it dressy. Like I said, you can carry the top handle and just have the straps hanging like that, or you could wear it on your shoulder if you wanted to. You definitely could carry it as a backpack. Rocking her like this. Yes, dolls, this bag is amazing. I'm so excited about this bag. I'm so glad that I am able to add this to my collection. Such a gorgeous bag that you definitely want to have in your collection. So again, I'll have everything linked below so that you dolls can get your hands on this bag or one of your choosing. There are so many bags on their website to choose from. All of them are top-notch, high-quality, one-to-one bags that you definitely don't want to miss out on. You can pick this bag up in this color, of course, but other colors as well. They also have the chevron leather. You can do silver for the hardware, different details. So you just have to get out there and look and see what your purpose is. But this one right here is a favorite of mine, and I think that is such a classic understated bag that is low-key but high-key at the same time is the best way that I can describe it, because you can dress it up or you can dress it down with like a sweatsuit. You could dress this up, you know, and carry it really elegantly with some jeans, a blazer, carry it by the top handle, which I absolutely love, the top chain. Or you could pair it with a dress even and look so nice, so put together. And then if you were going casual and you just wanted to throw it on and showcase that you are that girl and you got that bag, then you could definitely bring her along. I think this would be so gorgeous for like a date night, movie night, a night on the town. If you were wearing jeans, a blazer, or if it was summer, you had a t-shirt on with some jeans and some heels and you were just carrying this bag, I think that this would look so pulled together and showcase your style. Pulling looks, throwing fits for sure. So yes. Okay, dolls, this is my what's my newest bag video. I can't wait to share with you how I style this bag and also what I end up carrying in this bag, because I love to do a what's in my bag videos for you guys, for you dolls. So I want to get me a Chanel card holder to carry with this bag. I think that would be so nice. And then that way when we're doing our vlogs, we're going out on the town, I can definitely showcase and share with you dolls what I have in my bag. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Be sure to hit that like button, hype this video up, and be sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed here. My name is Tisha Monique. I do loads of what's in my bag, new bag that I'm getting my hands on, showcasing those with you dolls and sharing how you can get your hands on some fabulous bags as well. I also do a lot of lifestyle, beauty, makeup, fashion, and just all things girly, that girl, big feminine energy vibes over here. So if that's your vibe, then be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you dolls in the next one. Bye.